Hi, this is Ur15Cs108. Today we are going to be seeing Web Technology Lab experiment number 8, which is using PHP, and we will be using session, etc. So here we have our online website um, that we have to need to create, online shopping website. So here we have the title as online shopping, and this is the title, shop online, inside the page. And here we have form. In this form we have a method which is post, so we'll be using the $_post, and the action is billing.php. so all the value which is collected in this form will be sent to billing.php. So here we have a division in which I have the ID as list, and in this, inside that division, we have each division which will be holding one item. So here we have an image, t-shirt, hoodie, shirt, shorts, etc., and each image displays one value, and this input type is checkbox. So on top of each images there will be a checkbox, and we're collecting this values through this item array. So the name will be given as item array, and the value is t-shirt, hoodie, shirt, shorts, jeans, etc. So we've just given so many items, and then we have the gender. So we select the gender, male, female, child, etc., which has ID as gen. And here we have division class as detail, which would be, we can have quantity. So name is quantity. This will be collected at like an array, so like 1 2 3 4 5. This is a drop down, and even this is a drop down. So here we have the size, small, medium, large, etc., and the values are given here, small, etc., and even here we see that the values are given. And another drop down we have for the colors, red, yellow, green, blue, and black. And in this we have submit type button, and when you submit, as you saw earlier, it will be sent to billing.php, and this is just given as proceed to billing. In billing.php we have we are just asking the person for his details, billing details, and first name, last name, and it's all given as required. F name, last name, door number, and we've used a form here also. We've given a field set, and using a table I've got the values. Input type text, we're getting city, and the states, the zip code, mobile number, email. All this we've given the types as tel, mail, text, etc. And we have another one for shipping type, which is normal delivery and express delivery. So we have radio button for this. And here we're starting a session, and we're using session start and getting the values from the previous session. Session item, we're giving it as $item, we're getting post item. So if you have multiple items, it will get stored in an array, and we're just passing that item to session. And in this we have gender, which we're getting post and giving it to session. Post quantity, we're giving it to session quantity, and post size, we're giving it to session size, and post color, we're giving it to session color. So all these values can be used in this session till we end the session. So now all these values will be sent to summary.php. So let's go to summary.php. In summary.php we have a header, order summary, and here we're displaying all the names, all the values that we had there. Name, we're getting post, F name, last name, street, location, city, zip code, state, etc., even the mobile number and email. Here we actually go to the PHP part, where we're starting a session and getting the items from session. We're getting all the items that was bought, the items that were selected, and the details. This total is used to count the amount, and this delivery is for the type of delivery that we've chosen. If delivery is normal, then we have delivery amount is 300, else we have delivery amount is 500. And here total is equal to total plus delivery amount. And we're using this for loop and using I greater than less than count. So we use $count here for count of items, the number of items that the person is actually selected. So here we have gender, quantity, color, and size. And using this, we have, if the item is t-shirt, using a switch case here, if the t-shirt, then amount is 500, then if it's hoodie, amount is 700, and so on. And here we have total is equal to total amount plus the amount which was given here. And delivery, we have this array detail of I for this gender dot items, and then color, size, quantity, amount, etc. And here we are using a table to display all the items. So this is the item, color, size, quantity, which will be in a row. And here using a for each loop, we are going to be displaying all the items. And here this is to deliver, this is to print the type of shipping, and this is to print the total amount. And lastly we have, so this is, and we have given CSS. We've styled all the pages as required. So let's see the output. So here we have online shopping. I'm just going to select 2 items, and the gender and the quantity, and the size is XL, and the color, let's take blue. So let's proceed to billing. I've already saved it. So this is all values that have been entered. Let's select normal shipping and next. So here our order summary can be seen. Ruben Augustus, the address, the mobile number, the email ID, and we've selected 2 items, men's t-shirt, men's hoodie, and we also selected normal shipping. So we can see that the total amount is displayed here. Thank you.